Whoa, brother, it's kind of windy today. Sup, nerds? Fury Rider, bro. And today, we're gonna film a two-parter. Not like 2 parts of a video. I'm gonna film 2 videos. So we are going to Thunderbird, Harley Davidson, in Albuquerque, Nuevo Mexico. That's because my friend Matt, who will most likely be on the channel one of these days, got a Harley and listed me as a reference. So therefore, ya boy Fury Rider gets a mother freaking card, brother. So I'm gonna go pick it up at Thunderbird, and then we're gonna stop at Duke City on the way back because that's the OG. I mean, technically in Albuquerque, Thunderbird is the OG, but for me, the OG is Duke City. That's where all my peeps be, and that's the place where I go. We're gonna stop by Duke City to get oil for an oil change, and yes, I will be making a video on that. And then from there we gotta go to, I think we passed it. Oh no, wait, not yet. Not yet. We haven't passed it yet. It's coming. It's coming. So after Duke City, we're gonna go to True Value. I gotta get some screws for the bass guitar build that I made one video on. And yes, I'm gonna film that too, so that's gonna be a video. I'll just start off by saying updates. You know, I always got a lot of updates that I'm constantly giving out. So I'll start with the bad one first. My dog, Nyana, she's really old and she is not doing well. And so we're kind of trying to figure out what we're gonna do. So today my sister is coming up. We're gonna spend time with Nyana, make her have a nice day. So let's move on to the happier stuff, channel oriented. So second, like, frustrating is the music video I'm working on. Boop, boop. I'm getting kind of annoyed with it just because it's taking so long. I mean, originally what I was hoping was that it would go viral, people would love the song in the video, and that, you know, I think I stated before, but if 400,000 people bought the song, we'd be able to keep our house. And so I was like rushing, you know, to try to get it before we have our house deadline, but I don't think I'm gonna make it. And then I was thinking about it realistically. If it did become viral, it doesn't take off overnight usually. So either way, if by some grace of God my song became viral and people bought it, I still wouldn't be able to save the house. So I've decided, you know, I'm not putting it away. I'm still working on it, and I'm just gonna continue doing what I'm doing, make sure that I get the best quality video that I can. So that's the slightly frustrating. But now the good. So I know I filmed that bass video and it was just me sanding. I hadn't done any paint or anything like that. I was just sanding it down. Obviously that was months ago, and I think in the preface of the video I had said that I hadn't really done anything with it. It was just sitting there for like months. Like I would sand a little bit and then it'd sit for a couple months and then I'd do some more. Well, after I uploaded that video, I just freaking pounded it out. So I completely sanded it. I just started painting right away. So I did get a little frustrated because I screwed up the paint one too many times. I decided to leave it how it is. It is very imperfect, but that's fine. I'm an imperfect person, and sometimes the most beautiful things aren't perfect. That's just the way life goes. So the video I'm gonna make, we got a lot of stuff's coming in tomorrow. I think I stated in the video I was gonna stick with the stock pickups and wiring and all that jazz. Well, I changed my mind. I got some SPB or SVP3s from Seymour Duncan, the 1/4 pounder pickup. I got that. I got some new wiring, some copper shielding tape, and a couple other things that we're going to install tomorrow when the packages come. So I'm going to attempt to install everything and wire it, and I'll film it, and I'll make that part 2 of the base build video. Yeah, so this will probably come out before the base build video, but you know. So this one's just kind of an update and talking about what we'll be doing. But in the other video I'm recording today, see, I'm planning ahead. Your boy's committed. I'm gonna start doing things right. Hopefully not die by semis that just kind of throw over the lines. I'm gonna film another video, and that's gonna be the actual review for the Cardo. I'll get into that when I'm leaving Thunderbird. I figured why not? I thought it'd be a good idea to film it. That way I'll have some videos done and ready to queue, so I can just kind of focus on life. I got that way before. I had like 4 or 5 videos edited at one time, and so I'd film and I'd edit. That way I just had a backlog, and the problem was I got lazy, and so I wasn't filming anything new, but I was still releasing my backlog. And then eventually that's when we started running into the great drought, brother, where I would just make these like 30-second like, hey guys, I'm not making a video this week because I forgot to film. I'm making a solid effort to continue doing stuff. I know people don't like those stupid update videos, and it was just kind of to time me over where I came up with stuff. Well, I might not have the most compelling content, but I'm trying, and I've got ideas, and I'm gonna try to do these ideas. So, along the lines of updates, my best friend Zach, I mentioned him and his brother Renee, they got the camera again, and one of the songs on my upcoming album is actually about Zach. It's a bromance song, brother, and we're gonna film a music video together. Even though they live in Louisiana and I live here in New Mexico, we've got green screens. We just got to get some lights, and then we're going to really start going for it. And we've got an idea that is super funny. It's going to be really cool. We're going to be able to make it work. They're coming up with the concept with that. I got to remix and master the song. Once that comes out, that'll probably be the 3rd single in my upcoming album that I'm doing. But we're going to start working on videos. And of course, all the music videos will come on Fury Rider, but it'll also go on my band's YouTube channel, 4th and Silver. Right now it's kind of dry content wise. It's just the Misfits music video. I haven't uploaded the songs yet. I've just been working on the music video for the 1st single, and then Fury Rider content basically. What the hell was I talking about, man? I lost my train of thought. Oh, so roadmap, screw it, let's call the roadmap. So the first video that'll be out is probably this video. And then after that, it might be the bass guitar video or the Cardo review. Depends on which one I want to do first. And then we'll do the, so it'll either be bass, Cardo, and then we'll do a video for the oil change. And I'm going to try to change primary fluid as well, so we'll see how that goes. And this will be nice because this next week, even though look at it's so sunny, it's bright. I was going to say not a cloud in the sky, but you know. But you know, it's a really nice day. It's a little chilly, but not so much that I'm dying in my Dixon flannel, brother. That's right, brothers. I'm a dying bro. I've got a ton of Dixon flannels now. So they're doing a series they call the Creepy Quartet, I think. And I've got all the flannels so far in the series. Oh, other update. So the air horn that I've discussed, the reason there hasn't been a video on it is because I haven't received it yet. And at first I was actually pretty freaking livid because I thought I hadn't received any communication from them. I was like, is this company a scam? But it turns out I did receive communication from them. I just deleted the email because I'm an idiot. So I sent them a message, they responded, and basically this company, they ship out of Japan, but it's got to go through a port of China. And so all of their inventory is getting held up in China. So unfortunately, they can't release any inventory for anybody. So the CEO actually sent an email. I mean, it was probably a mass email, but specifically stating that they apologize profusely and that it does hurt their business, which, I mean, realistically, can you imagine? So yeah, on one hand, it sucks super bad that I don't have the air horn. I can't film that video for you guys. But on the other hand, given the circumstances of what's going on in China and basically how it's quarantined from the rest of the world, it makes sense. Alongside the music videos too, with Renee and Zach, we haven't specifically discussed what kind of videos we're gonna make, but we are planning on making some like short films. And I've had a couple ideas, I haven't run them by him yet. When we make these short films, they're gonna be on his YouTube and Fury Rider as well. Yeah, boy. Whoa, check out this asshole tailgating that truck, man. So now, on to the scary part. I freaking hate I-25. It is terrifying. I never rode I-25 on my bike, so this will definitely be a new adventure. My problem with I-25 is that nobody knows how to freaking drive on this part of the, like, on this particular highway. That's so cool, though. Like, come on. Nobody knows how to drive. And so they'll just cut in your lane, no turn signal. And I mean, that's ordinary here in Albuquerque, but they'll do shit like that. They just drive like super recklessly and dangerously. So I try to avoid I-25 at all costs, but the quickest way to get to Thunderbird is gonna be on I-25. So we gotta take it, unfortunately. Hopefully I don't die. And then the other scary part will be the flyover. It isn't so bad on my truck, but I've never done the flyover on the motorcycle. So we'll see if we die. And if we do, I die doing what I love, riding freaking Harleys. Except I die doing it on a part of town that I don't love, which is anywhere involving I-25. Okay. Rip to my home and trash. Oh yeah, this part sucks too. Cause like this merges into one lane, and usually people like this dick noser are assholes. Your boy hates I-25, I-25 hates your boy, so let's just try to get the hell out of here as fast as we can. It's the literal worst, and it smells like somebody freaking pooped all over the highway. So that's gonna be a Topgolf. Maybe one day your boy Four-Wheel Rider will go film an adventure video over there. I think it'd be pretty legit. A lot of fun. Oh, that's another thing. I'm trying to think of more like content that I could do. So my ex-girlfriend that was in the Durango video, she suggested going out and like going to like just doing a lot of day trips. Don't even think about it, lady. I haven't done it because I'm an idiot. I think once the music video gets back out, because like I said, that's taken up the most of my time, I might start doing that. Maybe go out to... So if you've seen Wild Hogs, they say that the locals call it Madrid, which they probably do, but all the locals up there are like freaking hipsters. Like, you know, they wear, I was about to say flannel, but I'm wearing a flannel, so but they wear like flannel, they have their trendy little mustache, they got their slouch beanie, and they drink their craft brews, they take all their pictures with their arms folded. They have like, you know, hipsters, just the worst. Well, that's all that's out there. So they're like, it's Madrid. And I'm like, dude, I've lived in New Mexico my whole life. I'm born and raised here, and I really don't give a crap. I call it Madrid. Go eat a sandwich. I guess we'll try it here. I think this is, oh no, Alameda's further. This is what happens when your boy's a freaking idiot. But what can you do when you're dumb like me? Yeah, text on your phone. Do it. Keep texting. Keep texting your phone. You ever watch those Moto Madness videos where people are like, oi, mate, get off your phone? I'm like, dude, I want to see some fighting, not people being a little assholes. Because like, I get it, dude, it pisses me off beyond no belief when people are on their phone. Here especially, people are just gonna do it. They don't give a shit because they get into an argument and they're like, you cheeky wanker, get off your phone, because they're always British. I got your plates, I'm gonna take them to the coppers, you cheeky wanker. What are you doing, idiot? I'm pretty sure I took the wrong turn. Like I said, this is what happens when your tour guide is an idiot. And me, Fury Rider, is your tour guide. And I'm an idiot. Oh man. It's cold up in the mountains, but it's kind of surprisingly hot down here, which is nice. It's a nice change of pace. Oh hey, what's up, bro? It's another adventure. We're getting lost. Yo, I love this song. Blue Monday. Yeah, I think your boy Fury Rider really needs to do like these adventure videos more often, because I think it'd be cool to like drive around. Like, I don't ever really come to this side of town. Back in my teenage years, we'd all hop in my car and just come like cruising around just random streets, try to find old places like I lived when growing up, because I live like way out in the middle of nowhere. And I mean, there's a Cabela's over here, like there's a lot of cool stuff we could go find in Albuquerque if your boy just freaking went on adventures. But it's a new year, it's a new me, and Fury Rider's gonna try to make some good entertaining content for you guys, and that includes things like going on random adventures to the US Bank, turning left, almost crashing into cars. You know, just the classic motorcycle stuff. It's a ton of fun for you and me. Oh, there's a brother up there. He's got a nice looking bike. That'd be funny if he had that Harley thing, but then he's riding an Indian. It'd be like, oh, ironic. So yeah, we'll call this video half update, half just stupid me getting lost. What should we title it? Vote in the comments below. If you, no, seriously, if you come up with a better title for this video, I will change it. If you guys can vote a better title in the comment down below, you'll win the grand prize of me changing the title of the video to your title. It'll be a great success. All of our friends will love it. Here we go, Alameda. Now to go to Thunderbird. Unless it's down over there, then I'm gonna be pissed. It's Thunderbird. Ooh, all these nice bikes. Ooh, Lowrider S. Figured I guess we'll park way over here. All my Harley bros are just chilling. Alright guys, that's gonna be the video. We're gonna go get this gift card and then I'll film my review video. So, you know the drill. Leave the title in the comments down below. And if you like the video, hit that thumbs up. If you didn't, go screw yourself. And subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.